Hi everyone, so today I thought I would do another snaky feeding video, a kind of like a snake mukbang, I guess you'd call it. I managed to feed my snakes a few days ago and I fed Australia last night. I managed to capture them, on video, and I don't think they minded me being there. I'm not quite sure about Australia. She was trying to hide at first, but then she kind of came back out with, her mouse and stuff, and so she wasn't too fussed. She used to be quite shy with eating, but she's not quite so shy now. So she's got a lot more confidence and a lot better. With all that being said, I will just get straight on with the video, and thank you very much again for watching. So as you can see, all my snakes ate really well. I think Apollonia and Estrella both dragged their meal through the substrate a little bit. As they were eating, bits of the substrate were sort of coming off. So they didn't, I don't think they ingested too much, but to be honest, if they were out in the wild, they'd probably be dragging, you know, their prey through all sorts of dirt and mud and all sorts of things. So I'm not too worried about it at the moment. You know, they're all pooping fine. So because I know a lot of people say they can get like compaction and all that with having substrate in their bodies, but as I say, touch wood, I've not had anything like that with my snakes. So but yeah, normally I try and put a bit of tissue, a bit of kitchen roll in with them to sort of eat their mouse off of, but I think Estrella's the worst for just pulling her mouse all about the tank and everywhere, so I'm going to have to sort of try and figure out a way getting her to eat off, you know, just a sort of plain surface rather than her dragging it everywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments section below and I will do my best to answer them. I have another video planned for next week, and it'll basically be you know, a little tour around my snake room, and there's a few other little critters, should I say, that you can all say hello to, and I will be showing them off obviously. But for now, thanks again for watching, and I will see you all again soon.